Increasing the daily budget for your Facebook ads is a simple process that allows you to scale up your advertising spend to reach a larger audience and achieve your campaign objectives more quickly. Here's how to do it. Access Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ads Manager. Select Campaign. Locate the campaign containing the ad set you want to increase the budget for. Edit ad set. Click on the campaign to expand it and reveal the ad sets within. Select the ad set you want to adjust to open its settings. Adjust budget. Scroll down to the budget and schedule section. Locate the daily budget field and click on the current budget amount. Enter new budget. Increase the daily budget amount to the desired level. Facebook will automatically update the budget based on the changes you make. Review and apply changes. Review the changes to ensure they align with your campaign goals and budget constraints. Click Publish or Save changes to apply the new budget to your ad set. Monitor performance. Keep a close eye on your campaign's performance metrics to assess the impact of the budget increase. Adjust your budget further as needed to optimize performance and achieve your advertising objectives.